What is EducateWiser, and how does it work? EducateWiser is a service-based online platform that assists educational institutions and tutors in finding tutoring jobs all over the world. Parents and students can communicate instantly with tutors and institutions using the website. The EducateWiser platform goes one step further by allowing students to post their study needs, which enables them to quickly receive responses from the appropriate educational professionals who can meet their study demands. Who is it for? This is for teachers, trainers, coaches, tuition academies, and other qualified people with an interest in teaching and training. How it operates. Create a descriptive profile for your tutoring or institute, including your credentials, area of specialty, and most importantly, example lectures that demonstrate your teaching competence. Students look through several profiles to choose the finest in-person or online tutor to meet their needs of academic support. Finally, after narrowing down their list of potential tutors, students make direct contact with their top choices without the platform's involvement. Above all, the platform offers all basic services free to its users. Sign up today and explore tutoring opportunities globally. For additional information, contact us at info@educatewiser.com.